Hi there, today we are going to talk about customer management tool in Excel. The first point is this tool is absolutely free. You can download it. Feel free to use it for your daily businesses. The second part, I will show you how the tool is working. Simply click Show button here. You are able to see customer management system. The bold letter here is state, which is available in your database. If you have a single click, then it shows available city in this state. If you click one more time, you are able to see customer name. If you click customer name, you are able to see customer detail, which is from customer ID up to note here. If you click another city, you can see another option. Clicking it, the detailed information is changing it. Let's move on to buttons here. First of all, if you see here gray color, which means that you are not able to change the content. If you click add button, it changes into white color, which means you are able to change it. If you click save button, you are able to saving it. The saved content will be automatically stored in your worksheet. Now let's move on to new. If you click new and you are able to entering your new information. If you click reset button, it will ask clear all field and click yes, then clean up. Delete button is delete the contents. So here, if you click reset review, automatically go back to original setting. For instruction of this tool, you can see here tree structure is state, city, customer name. The data set is organized geographically. Let's move on to search and filter function. For example, if you are looking for Tom, then you are able to see the find the person here. Clicking it, detailed information is right there. If you click clear button, everything go back to original setup. If you are extending the rows here, automatically the total number of customer is increasing. If you click here, you can see plus sign, it's extending it. If you click plus sign, extended it as well. However, if you click one more time, only show like this, but the other one will be disappearing it. Let's go back to review reset again. Lastly, if you want to close down this pop-up window, simply click X here. Before move on to next step, you can apply this to many other areas. For example, in case of sales, reason, store location, staff members, or division, department, employee. In case of inventory management, supplier, product type, product. In case of healthcare, health system, facility specialist. In education, university, faculty, professor. You can use this tool with multiple areas. Let's go back. As next step, I will show high-level view of the tool structure. Press Alt F11 button. You are able to go to Visual Basic application. Then you can see like this. Almost all code are sitting in user form, which is customer detail form. You are able to see here as well. If you click here, you are able to see all detailed code. If you want to go back, double click here, you can go back. Let's say click here, you can see the name of object. If you click here, you can see tree view number 1. In order to get tree view, you need tree view this icon. As a default setting, you don't have it. In order to get that one, please click right hand mouse button here, go to additional controls. You can see here Microsoft Tree View Control version 6. Selecting it, click OK. Then you are able to see this. The other function you need is go to Tool, click Reference. Then you have to select Microsoft Windows Common Control 6.0. Click OK. As a test, let's make another user form. Go to Insert, click User Form. You can create one user form. Click left-hand mouse button, dragging it. You can control the size of a user form. Inside, let's create a new tree map. Here, clicking it, dragging it, you can make user form. Let's go back. Now let's move on to frame. I created 2 frames. If you click here, you can see frame instructions. This is the name of this frame. If your mouse cursor hovering here, you can see this shape. Left mouse button, you are able to move. Then you are able to see second frame, which is called custom detail. In here, frame details. If you click here, you are able to see specific name for text box, for customer ID, customer name, and so on. If you want to see the related VBA code, simply go to the object, double clicking it, automatically moving to the related part. In here, command clear button, clicking it. So when you go here, you are able to see object, which is the clear button object. If you go here, procedure means action. These tools are combined by underscore. Command clear button underscore click. When this button is clicked, what will happen is inside of this code. Let's go back to our example. Let's create a new frame here. Go to toolbox. If you click here, this is frame. You can create like that. You can change the name of the frame as you wish. Also inside, you can create a text box, which is going to be this one. Clicking it, making it. In case of label, you can select, you can make like that. In order to have functionality, simply double clicking it, automatically it goes inside. In case of our text box 1, the value is changing, something will happen. Let's go back to our original code. Now I'm going to put it back. Simply click here, selecting instruction frame. After that, put it back. Then it's overwrapped with the 2 flames. I will put it here. In order to remove user form, simply click here, right hand mouse button, remove user form. No. If you click module here, you can find module 1. Double clicking it, there is only one line of code. Our customer detail form point show means just appearing it. The functionality works like this way. Go back to worksheet. If you click this button with the right hand mouse button, you can go like this. You can go to assign macro. Now you are able to see which one is assigned macro. In this case, it's this one. If you click add button, you are able to go to VBA code as well. What if you want to see line by line movement? Go to here, click left mouse button, which means breaking point of VBA code. Let's testing it. If you go back to worksheet, clicking here, it is stop immediately here. After that, F8 button, it will move line by line. If you want to see more detail, go to view. You can create the local window. If you clicking it, then you are able to see detailed information on the current running code. In order to stop, go to here, click reset button. It's all gone. If you click here, the local window is also disappearing it. Let's go inside of the code, double clicking it. If you scroll down, you are able to see setup instruction part. In this section, you are able to change the instruction description. For example, state, city, custom name into group A, team A, name, so on so. In same manner, you can change any contents inside of a quotation mark is able to change. Let's go back to worksheet. If you want to change the name of a customer list, simply click here, select the rename, Ctrl C, go back, Ctrl F, Ctrl B, put it here, click find next. There are 3 locations, and also you have to change it here, 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 3 places. After that, there will be no issue after changing your sheet names. Now I'll close it here as well. Click here again. As long as you have a hierarchy system like this, you are able to use this tool. I hope this tool gives you small benefit for your daily work. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.